If you're on your feet at work or anywhere, this is very useful to sit down and relax. Use it for 10 minutes. It helps your cramp if you have cramping varicose veins, or if you just want to relax your feet. I use it for 10 minutes and it really helps every day. I don't get any more cramps on my feet. And my feet are very comfortable now when I put my shoes on. Thanks for your product.